Variability. What does it mean? The degree of being variable or changeable. Variability is one of the top 5 characteristics of effective teachers, according to Rosenstein and First, an idea that we learned in AEE 412 this past semester. Variability was something that I struggled with, not only while writing my lessons, but also during my first few lab performances. Let's take a look at my progression and see how my use of variability in my lab performance has improved throughout the semester.
These 2 pie charts. And since we're done with our bell work, I want you to take a few moments and look over these and write down what you think they represent. So they are 2 different charts. There's one on the right and one on the left, and they both stand for something different. So I'll give you a few moments. And just thinking about what I asked with your bell work and being in an aquatics resources class, what do you think that these charts represent?
Actually a turkey egg that I found in the woods, so I'm going to pass it around. Just leave it in the bag, please, and be careful, even though it's already broke. But just pass that around and just look at it and make some observations in your head just about the size, the color, things like that. What I'm going to have you do is everybody has to come over and get a poster when I tell you. I can tell you. So you're going to get a poster, and you can get markers, crayons, colored pencils, whatever you want to use. And I want you to make a flow chart or some kind of sequencing chart that describes the life cycle of a turkey. And you need to have at least 4 steps. 6. What questions are there before I let you do that? Okay.
Based on the materials I have up here, we are, your task is going to try to figure out which materials best clean up an oil spill. So we're going to just have a little simulation. You guys are going to work through the scientific method and try to figure it out. So if there are no questions, I will pass out your data collection sheet and you can get started.
Personally, I want to utilize a variety of teaching techniques and methods, especially during my time student teaching. Since I will be student teaching at Elizabethtown, a school that utilizes block scheduling, I will have 84 minutes every period for 3 periods a day to do this. I feel that variability is important because it keeps students interested and engaged in the lesson at hand. I feel that variability has been one of my biggest improvement areas this semester, and I know I will only continue to grow and improve in my use of variability at Elizabethtown in the spring.